now I'm going to show you the cicadas which we found and saw. So in Japan, it's the season of cicadas, and in Japanese it's called semi. So we're going to show you. This is a cicadas larva and saliva. Just can't touch that. Yeah. So no, just touch it. I don't see it move. No, just touch it. See, it's moving. And Alex will put it on a tree. I want to bring it home. No. Just put it there. It's hitting my leg. So this is a live cicada. Yeah, it's a larva. I think it's trying to get on the tree. They're trying to get on the tree. And when it be alive again in green, it's almost green, but it will get wings. Not alive again. So this is the clover tree which the cicada is climbing on. It's the cicada's favorite tree. Yeah, so I just break near so it can climb. Look, it's climbing now. And we put on this high tree so it can eat a lot of leaves. Here is green. The mouth is spots. So this is our larva. It's from that branch to here, it's so big. So this is a cicada, you see here, and it is just coming out from its shell. So it's turning into an adult from the larva to an adult, see? So today I'll show you a cicada larva. And okay, maybe there'll be quite a lot because I have 6 larvae. I found them at the school. Some friends gave me some.
They're falling.
But it's not falling. Cicada. Now it's too loud. And you can even hear from the house. So thanks for watching this movie, and I hope you liked all that cicadas. Bye! Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this movie, so bye.